everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I'm really excited. I was getting ready to film a few other videos, and then as a huge surprise, wasn't expecting it, my Ipsy Plus just showed up. I don't even think I've gotten tracking yet, and I have like the app where you can track your like USPS deliveries, and I had nothing for today, so this is just sitting at my door, like so exciting. Ipsy Plus is one of my favorites. So if you don't know what Ipsy Plus is, it's like the big sister to like the Ipsy Glam bag. It is a beauty subscription. This one costs $25 per month, and unlike the regular Ipsy Glam bag, you get all full-size items. So I do know what's coming in today's box. So since I know what's coming and I wasn't fully ready yet, I just did my makeup partially because there's some things in here I'm gonna try on. So what we're gonna do today, we'll do an unboxing and then a try on. So of course I will leave the link down to Ipsy in the description box if you have not yet entered. But anyways, let's get started and see what I received for my September Ipsy, or yeah, September. I almost said like October, like I was just saying how August went by so fast, like I'm getting a little ahead of myself. But anyways, when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. It always says the same thing: don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then here is everything inside. So let's grab the card that comes with it first. So September 2019, find your light. So I guess that's the theme this month. I really don't know if they go by a theme or what, but anyways, it says September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? Hashtag discover yourself. And then on the inside, it talks about all of the items and gives some pricing information. And it says, good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month and your 5 Glam Bag Plus products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. That's cute. Coffee break. So the first thing I see is super exciting because it is actually a new launch. This is by Oprah and it's in collaboration with Madison Miller, the Midi Palette Miller Squad. So I have a feeling this is in here because if I'm remembering correctly, I think Madison Miller works with Ipsy Plus pretty closely, and Ipsy and does like big sneak peeks. Like she'll have like every item possible in her videos. So that's probably why she's in here. But that's really cool. Congratulations, Madison, on her collaboration. So this says, the squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette, which includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shook status and perfect soft pink blush. Take your glow bestie to go with this slim, travel-friendly compact with a mirror. So packaging is cute. Let's get this open and see what it looks like. So I'm not sure if she just like picked her favorites or if they formulated like a new product. If you guys know, let us know in the description box, in the comment section. Oh, this is cute. This definitely is like sleek and compact. Ooh, and there's a mirror. Oh, these shades are super pretty. I'm excited to try these out. I don't have anything on my face besides like foundation, concealer. I did my eyes and I put a little lip liner on. I need to powder bad. Sneak peek, powder's coming. So let's see what these look like. So here's it on my fingers. Ooh, these are pretty. I'm excited about the blush especially. So you guys can see. Kind of matches my rose gold eye watch. I heard they're announcing the new iPhone today, by the way. I don't know if they did yet at this point, but iPhone 11, that's cool. So we will try on this palette in a bit. I'm thinking I'll use the first 2 shades here, like these 2, but we'll see in just a moment. I love that there's a mirror. Let's see, how much is this? Wow, this is a retail value of $35, more than the box. And let's see if there's any more information in here. Multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Oprah Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller, a new mama, oh congrats, is all about that to-go glow. Highly pigmented and cinched to blend, this rosy combo blush and highlighter creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. Awesome. And since I mentioned powder, let's get that out. So this is a Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I seriously just got this. I grabbed mine. Where did it go? So I just got this as an add-on in my FabFitFun. I haven't tried it yet, so I will try mine today, and I will probably put this one in a giveaway. I'm trying really hard not to be a makeup hoarder, so like one way to do so is like to share with you guys. So I will try the one I already have out of the packaging today. So Never used it, but you can see like it's not like all the way full, but that's kind of typical for these kind of products for loose powders. So this is translucent. Let's see. Ooh, hopefully I can get that sticker off. I literally just got a manicure today, so hopefully I don't ruin it. But yeah, I finally did. Do you guys like the color? I was trying to go more fall. But I always go for red, so this is like different for me. So it's not super fall, it's like a mauve color. I think it's pretty. Ooh, I got it. Oh god, it's getting all over me. Damn. So it's just like a little sifter like that, so we will use that shortly. I really need it. I'm one of those people, I do powder all the time, and especially before I put anything on top, like that blush and highlight and stuff like that. So I got some on my hands. We'll see how that performs in just a moment. Let's see how much that costs. So the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder has a retail value of $22. This ultra blendable translucent powder formula driven innovator Ciate London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. And then it says something about like a tip, like to bake and set areas with concealer, pack on a generous amount of this translucent powder over your concealer and leave on 3 to 5 minutes before sweeping off the excess. I've honestly never baked before. I don't know, I just feel like I would make my fine lines look worse. I don't know, maybe I'll try it someday. But do you guys bake? Ooh, it looks like we have a lipstick by Illamasqua, the Anti-Matter lipstick in Cosmic. That kind of goes with their theme. So here's the outer packaging. We've gotten Illamasqua, did we get, yeah, the lip liners. I should have put that on. I put a lip liner on already. I didn't even think to grab their lip liners that we got like in the past. So here's what it looks like. It says Illamasqua on it. There's like a little symbol on the top too. I don't know. Oh, this is a pretty light pink. Swatch it. So there is what it looks like swatched. I think that's really pretty. And I think that'll go with the blush and the highlights. So let's learn more about this lippy. So this is $27. Wow. These beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick in a cool tone mauve pink swipes on with immediate color payoff. Its vitamin E infused formula conditions lip for a creamy application. Tip, for a flawless application, exfoliate lips, gently rub in a bit of balm, and apply lipstick straight from the bullet. All right, I'm excited to try this. I think it's super pretty. All right, next up, this is something by Wander Beauty. We get Wander Beauty like pretty often in subscription boxes, but I've never gotten this product before. This is the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm not sure what shade this is in taupe. So I think they do go based on their profile pretty well. I didn't say this in the beginning. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, they do go by a beauty profile. It's pretty awesome. You can tell them like how often you want things too. You can tell them what you like. You can say like, I rarely want mascara, or I want it like often, stuff like that. And they do a pretty good job. And then you have to tell them things like your hair color, your skin preference, you know, all your preferences. So it's a pretty thorough beauty profile, which I think they do a pretty good job doing. So let's get this open. I have a little bit of brow product on from earlier today. I was running errands and I just like can't go out without that. I didn't have any other makeup on. We'll just put this on over. Hopefully it's a good color match if I can get it open. So here is what it looks like. So there isn't a spoolie or anything like that, or is there? Oh, there is. There's a cap on it. Cool. So there's a spoolie on one end. I like that there's a cap. And then here is the tip. So it is very micro. Let's see. I'm trying to draw it in enough so you guys can see it. I think this would be a good color match for me. It's like right over here. So I'm really excited to try this out. We never really get brow products in boxes. Like we have before, but it's pretty infrequent. Probably because most boxes don't go by such a profile, but I think they did a good job shade matching this, so I'm excited to try it out. Let's see how much this baby costs. So this is the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in taupe, and the value is $21. Founded by a jet-setting mother and supermodel duo, this team crafts low-fuss formulas that deliver high-impact looks. This brow-boosting tool with an ultra-precise pencil tip on one end and a spoolie on the other gives your smear-proof strokes with a natural-looking finish. It says tip, brush brow hairs vertically, then use this pencil to draw short strokes and fill in sparse areas. Awesome, we'll do that soon. And there's one more item. And this is by Glam Glow. So this is something I can't use, so I'll be doing a giveaway. But this is a big size. So it says this is the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Okay. Cool. I like the packaging a lot, but Glam Glow is not considered cruelty-free, so I will be passing this on. This has a retail value of $34, formulated with ultra-refreshing Teoxy green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai. This exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined, glowing complexion. Awesome. So stay tuned to the end of this video. I think we may have a giveaway today. All right, so now let's try this stuff on. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any like creases under my eyes since I did my foundation and concealer like a decent amount of time ago without powdering. Like put some in the cap. What do you guys do? Do you do that? And first I'm gonna grab my concealer brush and do under my eyes and see how it works there. The eye with powder and there's the one without. Can you guys tell the difference? I think it looks pretty good. Alright, and for my face I'm just going to grab this like Moda brush I've been using for powder. Alright, so my face is powdered. It looks a tiny bit cakey. But we'll see. I'll like spray some setting spray in a little bit. So I'm just going to throw on some bronzer really quick before we get to the blush. Alright, on to the blush. I'm super excited to try this. So I'm going to go in with that middle shade. The blush brush I've been using lately is this Real Techniques, just says 400. I think it's like the 400 blush brush or something like that. I got this in my most recent Sunday Riley box. So I'm kind of just tapping in, going with a light hand at first. Yeah, I really like this blush color. I think it's really pretty. Now let's do some highlights. I keep wanting to look for a shade name. I guess there's not shade name, so that's okay. So Oprah highlights are pretty awesome, so I'm excited to try these. They're a little dark. What one do I want? And they're pretty like pink compared to what I normally do. Oh wow, yeah, that's an Oprah highlight. Barely went in and wow. Pretty intense, but yeah, I'm excited to play around with this some more. I might put like just a little bit in my inner corner. I don't think I did that earlier because usually I use my highlight I'm using. So I use my Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush for that. I'll just go in the same shade, why not? Now for the lippy. Again, I do have some liner on now. Hopefully it's not too dark. We'll see. I really like this. Smoothed on super easily. I think it really pairs well with the blush they gave us and the highlight, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, this is good so far. I'm liking all this stuff I'm keeping. Awesome. So this is my finished look using my new Ipsy products. And now let's talk about a giveaway. Why not? So since I already have the powder and I'm trying not to like have backups or hoard it, and I don't really know how I feel yet, I think it's doing a good job like absorbing the oils I had on my face and as a base for my other makeup. Everything blended well over it, so that's great. So I think I want to give it to one of you guys. So today we're going to do a small giveaway. You know we love giveaways on this channel. So I'm going to give away the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder and the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So together these have a pretty high retail value. So this is $22 and then the cleanser is $34. So I'll probably throw in a couple small other things too to the winner. So I will leave all of the information down in the description box. So definitely check there. But overall what you have to do is number one, be subscribed to my channel. 2, like this video, and 3, leave a comment. And it's really important to leave a comment because I'm gonna use a random comment generator. So really, like, I shouldn't say this, but like, the more comments you leave, probably the higher your chances are. I mean, don't like spam the comment wall, but yeah, if you want to leave multiple comments, that will definitely increase your chances of winning. I'll probably have this open for about a week or 2. Let me look, what's the date today? The 10th or the 9th? Have this end, how about the 20th? We'll have it open like 10 days to give people a chance to enter. So like I said, follow the rules, make sure you're subscribed, like and comment on this video, and yeah, open to 18 years of age and over, or have your parents' permission. All of my giveaways are open international, ends the 20th. All the information will be down below. So good luck, one of you guys will get this. It's so exciting. So let's wrap this video up. What are my thoughts? Oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't try the brow product. Oops. Let me try that really quick. Oopsie. So I'm just gonna, I got a little excited there, didn't I? I feel like I'm totally off on my filming game lately. Whenever you take a few days off, if you're a creator, you understand. But let's see. I'll use the smear so I'm not bent over too much. I think this is a really good shade match, so awesome. So I'm not keeping everything, which is obviously like a bummer, you know, but I am keeping enough to definitely make it worth it. So let me say my thoughts on the things I've tried, and then we will add up the total and then say goodbye. So I'm excited to play around with this some more. Like I said, I already had a little bit of brow product on already, but I think this is a great shade match, so I'm so happy that Ipsy went by profile. The powder, I definitely need to try more, but I think right now it looks good. At first I thought it looked like a little cakey, but I didn't even use any setting spray yet or anything like that. But I think my natural oils and stuff, it like is looking a lot more natural and pretty. I absolutely love this lip color. I have lip liner on right now. I'm gonna try it without to see if like the color's any different, but so far so good. I think it applied really well, feels nice, looks pretty. I love the color. This palette is super pretty. I think the blush especially. The highlight's like very like bam in your face, but that's an Oprah highlight for you. I can't wait to use it some more. And then I think I talked about everything. And then I can't speak on this one, but one of you guys, whoever wins, you'll have to tell me what you think of it. So let's add up the total of this, the value of this box. All right, so the total value is $139 and I paid $25, so that's awesome. But let me subtract what I'm not keeping. All right, so with what I'm not keeping, the value is 83, which is still much higher than 25, and I'm happy about it, and I'm happy to be giving back to you guys. So yeah, I think overall this is a great Ipsy Plus month. You guys have to let me know what you guys got. Are we twins? Or if not, let me know what you got different. And yeah, make sure to enter my giveaway. Good luck to everyone. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.